Hello friends, today we see the next point from the chapter Incompatibilities in Prescription, that is soluble iodide incompatibility. In this lecture, we see the incompatibilities of soluble iodides. So, when iodine or iodides undergo oxidation, there is a formation of iodine, which is an undesirable product, and hence following steps must be taken to avoid this chemical incompatibility or to avoid these chemical changes. So first, that is oxidation of iodide with ferric salt. When ferric salt reacts with soluble iodides and it gets convert into ferrous salt, means when soluble iodide combines with ferric salt, that ferric salt converts into the ferrous salt, and that product is not satisfactory method to adjust this incompatibility. So here ferric salt with iodine, and which is give a ferrous salt plus liberation of iodine. To prevent this incompatibility, the prescriber must substitute ferric salt with that of iron and ammonium salt. Means that ferric salt creates an incompatibility which converts into the ferrous salt, and that incompatibility can be overcome by prescribing ferric salt instead of, means prescribing iron or ammonium citrate instead of that ferric salt, because ferric salt create an incompatibility, and to avoid that incompatibility, instead of that ferric salt, prescribe iron or ammonium citrate. Alternatively, the iron is converted into an organic compound which give or which does not yield ferric iron. जो iron असणार आहे, that iron does not give any ferric iron or ferric incompatibility. Here one prescription in that ferric chloride solution 1.5 ml, potassium iodide 3 gram, potassium citrate 6 gram, and water sufficient quantity to make 90 ml of that mixture or that preparation. So here direction is given, that is 1 tablespoonful to be taken twice a day. एक प्रिपरेशन है, एक मिक्सचर तैयार करायचं आहे. दैट मिक्सचर इज यूज ॲज अ हिमॅटिन. that ferric chloride 1.5 gram, potassium iodide 3 gram, potassium citrate 6 gram, and water which is up to 90 ml. So here that ferric chloride solution reacts with the potassium iodide, and there is the liberation of free iodine. Here the reaction is given, that is potassium chloride when combines with potassium iodide, means ferric chloride solution when combines with potassium iodide, there is a liberation of free iodine. Here reaction is that twice FeCl3 plus twice Ki, that is potassium iodide, which gives twice FCl2 plus potassium chloride plus liberation of iodine. And to prevent that liberation of iodine in this mixture or in this preparation, that ferric chloride is converted into the organic or colloidal organic compound before the addition of potassium iodide. जो फेरिक क्लोराइड मॉलिक्यूल किंवा जो फेरिक क्लोराइड आहे, त्या फेरिक क्लोराइडमुळे इनकॉम्पॅटिबिलिटी क्रिएट होते. तिथं लिबरेशन ऑफ आयोडीन तयार होतं आहे किंवा लिबरेशन ऑफ आयोडीन होते, अँड दॅट लिबरेशन ऑफ आयोडीन इज नॉट नेसेसरी, और दॅट लिबरेशन ऑफ आयोडीन shows the incompatibility. So convert that ferric chloride into the colloidal organic compound before the addition of that potassium iodide. So here method is that dissolve that potassium citrate in 3/4 volume of water. जो पोटॅशियम सिट्रेट असणार आहे, दॅट पोटॅशियम सिट्रेटला डिझॉल्व करायचं आहे 3/4 वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉटरमध्ये. देन यू ॲड फेरिक क्लोराईड सोल्युशन अँड देन पोटॅशियम आयोडाईड. then adjust the volume of that preparation, that is final volume, which is a 90 ml. Here the color of mixture will be green due to the formation of new compound by reaction between ferric chloride and potassium citrate. तर इथं समटाईम कलर चेंजेस ऑकर होणार आहे, दॅट इज ग्रीन कलर इथं ऑकर होणार आहे, विच इज ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कंपाउंड बाय रिएक्शन ऑफ और रिएक्शन इन बिटवीन ferric chloride and potassium citrate. Then next, that is oxidation of iodides with potassium chloride. When soluble iodides, आता soluble iodides कोण, तर soluble iodide is nothing but potassium iodide. When that soluble iodides reacts with the potassium chlorate, here free iodine is liberated. So here reaction is that is potassium chloride when combines with ferric iodide, here liberation or here oxidation of that iodide is occur with that of potassium chlorate. And to prevent this incompatibility, the two reacting substance must be dispensed separately. So soluble iodides when combines with that potassium chlorate, there is a liberation of iodine. In that reaction there is a liberation of 3 molecules of iodine, and which is undesirable, which is not required in that prescription. So to prevent this incompatibility, the two reacting substance means जे दोन reacting substances, that reacting substances must be dispensed separately, and when required that preparation mix both the substances and then take the preparation. Here prescription is that potassium chlorate 4 gram, syrup of ferric iodide which is 6 ml, and water to make up to 180 ml. Here the freshly prepared mixture is quite clear, but upon standing some time or for some time a crystal of iodine get deposited. जेव्हा आपण पोटॅशियम क्लोराईड आणि फेरिक आयोडाईडचं जेव्हा आपण मिक्सचर तयार करणार, तर अपॉन सम टाइम और अपॉन स्टँडिंग ऑफ some period there is a crystal of iodine get deposited, and to prevent that incompatibility, the two reacting substance means potassium chlorate separately dispense करा and syrup of ferric iodide dispense separately, and the patient must be directed to mix both the solution before use. जेव्हा प्रिपरेशन ॲडमिनिस्टर करायचं आहे तर पोटॅशियम क्लोरेट प्लस फेरिक आयोडाईड दोघं मिक्स करून ते प्रिपरेशन ॲडमिनिस्टर करायचं आहे. बट वाईल डिस्पेन्सिंग बोथ द इन्ग्रेडियंट, बोथ द compound are dispensed separately, and when administered that preparation mix the both ingredient or mix the both compound and then administer that preparation. Here the next, that is oxidation of iodide with the quinine sulfate. आता वी नो क्विनाइन इज नॉट फ्रीली सोल्युबल इन वॉटर. क्विनाइनची सोल्युबिलिटी वॉटरमध्ये नसते, किंवा दॅट क्विनाइन सल्फेट इज नॉट फ्रीली सोल्युबल इन वॉटर, अँड दॅट्स वाय वी ॲड अ डायल्यूट सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड टू मेक इट सोल्युबल. सो ड्यू टू दॅट dilute sulfuric acid there is a liberation of hydro acid from potassium iodide, and that hydroiodic acid is partially oxidized by that sulfuric acid. Means when we add dilute sulfuric acid for making the solubility of quinine sulfate, but that sulfuric acid liberates hydroiodic acid from potassium iodide, and that hydroiodic acid is partially oxidized by sulfuric acid and causes or yielding a iodine. Means quinine sulfate, in that quinine sulfate we add dilute sulfuric acid for making a solubility or for creating a solubility of that quinine sulfate, but that sulfuric acid when combines with potassium iodide, here formation of hydroiodic acid, and that hydroiodic acid which is partially oxidized by sulfuric acid and liberation of iodine, and that iodine, hydroiodic acid and quinine sulfate then combines and forms a compound which is called as iodosulfide of quinine or Hera path of that compound. And that Hera path compound or that iodosulfide of quinine can be removed, or that incompatibility can be removed by following methods. In that, patient should be supplied that mixture for 3 days only. जे प्रिपरेशन असणार आहे, that preparation or that compound, that is the iodosulfide of quinine or that Hera path compound, it requires a time, it takes a time to complete that reaction, and that's why that reaction is also called as delay incompatibility or delay reaction. Why? Because that reaction requires 3 to 4 days for completion of that reaction. And so to avoid that incompatibility, some following methods are to be taken to prevent that incompatibility. In that, first, that is, patient should be supplied with a mixture only for 3 days. जे मिक्सचर असणार आहे ते मिक्सचर ओनली मीन्स डिस्पेन्स करायचं आहे ओनली फॉर 3 days, बिकॉज आफ्टर 3 days there is a formation of Hera path or there is a formation of iodosulfide of quinine. So to avoid that incompatibility, the patient should be supplied that mixture only for 3 days, or in case the patient require a mixture for more than 3 days, the both solution are prepared in the half volume of water and then supplied in a separate bottle. Second जी method है, that is, both the preparation are supplied in a separate bottle. So to avoid that incompatibility or to prevent that incompatibility, then here prescription, that is, prepare and dispense 200 ml of following mixture. This is an example of Hera path reaction or iodoquinosulfide. In that, quinine sulfate 1.5 gram, dilute sulfuric acid 4 ml, potassium iodide 8 gram, water up to 200 ml. So dilute sulfuric acid, add in 100 ml of water and then dissolve quinine sulfate in it. Then potassium iodide is dissolved in remaining quantity of water and mixed with the first portion. In first portion we add dilute sulfuric acid plus 100 ml of water and quinine sulfate. In the second portion we add potassium iodide which is dissolved in a remaining quantity of water and then mix both the portion. Means in one portion there is a potassium iodide plus water, in second portion there is a dilute sulfuric acid plus water plus quinine sulfate. So both portion get mixed with each other and the mixture is quite clear, and first, and that preparation is dispensed for only 3 days, because that preparation deposits a bronze or olive green scale that is called as Hera path reaction of that quinine. Means if suppose more than 3 days we dispense that preparation, that is quinine sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid, potassium iodide and water, that ingredient causes a incompatibility, that is the delay incompatibility, and produces a green bronze crystal or olive green scale which is called as, or which is due to Hera path reaction for quinine, and that's why that preparation dispensed only for 3 days or separately dispense the both portion of that prescription. That is, इक्वल व्हॉल्यूममध्ये ते प्रिपरेशन डिस्पेन्स करायचं आहे. अँड वेन ॲडमिनिस्टर दॅट पेशंट मीन्स इन केस द पेशंट रिक्वायर द मिक्सचर फॉर मोर दॅन 3 days, the both solution are prepared in a half volume of water and separate or supplied in a separate bottle. Thank you.